This is the story of how I won an Elgato Stream Deck at TwitchCon 2023. What is up guys, my name is Chase, new proud owner of an Elgato Stream Deck. I just came home from Las Vegas where I was at TwitchCon 2023. It was such a fun time. Make sure you check out my vlog channel for my TwitchCon vlog. But while I was at TwitchCon, I was just kind of walking around TwitchCon, just looking at some of the TwitchCon merch that they had on display. You know, just kind of minding my own business. I go to check Twitter on my phone, and then either Twitch or Elgato tweets out that they were hiding some exclusive TwitchCon Las Vegas Stream Deck faceplates out in the wild, just like anywhere across TwitchCon. And it just so happened that the picture that they posted on Twitter was where I literally just was maybe like 5 or 10 minutes ago. So I quickly ran back to the TwitchCon merch mannequins, and sure enough, there was a brown envelope marked the number 13. So I quickly swooped it up. I opened it up and sure enough, it was the TwitchCon Las Vegas custom faceplate for the Elgato Stream Deck. And I was honestly very happy with just the faceplate. I thought the fact that it was custom was very cool. But there was also a tiny piece of paper saying to take this brown envelope back to the Elgato booth at TwitchCon, and I would be able to win a free Elgato Stream Deck. So sure enough, the next day when I returned to TwitchCon, I take my little brown envelope back to the Elgato booth, and I was lucky enough to receive a free Elgato Stream Deck. So I am super duper grateful to Elgato and Twitch for giving out free Elgato Stream Decks. I've always wanted a Stream Deck for the longest time, so I am just so excited to finally have one. Anyway, what do you say? Let's open up my very first Elgato Stream Deck. This is the Mark II. Opening up the box. Ta-da! Wow! So here's a look at what we get inside the box. It's presented very nicely. Let's take out this box here on the top first. So inside we get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and it's Elgato branded, which is like kind of cool. We also get this, which is a quick start guide for our Stream Deck. And that's pretty much it besides the thing itself. So let's take out the Stream Deck. Ta-da! Wow! That's so cool. I'm so excited to finally have a Stream Deck. I've actually always wondered, what do these little buttons feel like? They're like very squishy. I never would have thought. So here is our Elgato Stream Deck. And it looks like that's everything that's in the box. So let's close this back up. Now also, besides the Stream Deck, I want to show off the custom faceplate that I also got. So here's the little piece of paper where it tells you to go to the Elgato booth to win a Stream Deck. And then here is the actual TwitchCon Las Vegas faceplate for the Elgato Stream Deck. I mean, of course, we have to try put it on. Let's see what it looks like. So this front piece is just like completely separate from the stand. Alright, so our default faceplate comes off like that. And now we can put on our custom TwitchCon one. Wow, it's so colorful, I love it. Now the question is, do I leave this on or do I just use the default one? I don't know, I feel like this one is so special, I'm like scared to keep it on my Stream Deck. But I also won this at TwitchCon, so I feel like it's only proper that we keep the TwitchCon one on here. So here is our TwitchCon Las Vegas Elgato Stream Deck. That looks really pretty. But there we go, that is the Elgato Stream Deck, my very first one. I'm so excited to finally have one of these. I've seen so many streamers have the Stream Deck and just kind of like play around with it, so I'm excited to have one for myself. Once again, I am so grateful to Elgato and Twitch for giving these away at TwitchCon. I had the absolute best time of my life at TwitchCon, so I'm just like so happy right now. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a Stream Deck and what your favorite functions are, because I'm completely new to all of this. If you guys want to watch another one of my videos about Elgato, feel free to check out the video below. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!